cousin forever.
Yes, I will.
Oh. Y'all, they in these people's stores. They're playing.
Ooh, y'all still get them police. Please get off that.
I wanna go medicine. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gonna
Top this time. Oh, yeah.
Girl, y'all better go cop y'all these. These are like 3 of the best things you can get at the barbecue. Period. Can't nobody tell me different.
Happy birthday.
What's up, my baddies and buddies? It's thetierrab checking in for another video. Back on your screen with another video. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Today is like a family vlog. We're going to barbecue by the pool. Should be very fun, very exciting, you know. But special shout out to my subscribers. Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys have some good family time. Be safe. Get you some flowers or whatever floats your boat, sweetie. If you're new here, my name is tierrab, but you can call me T. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Y'all, it's hot out here, so if you see like the pores sweating, just let them do what they do because it's too hot. But yeah, y'all, let's get into the vlog. This shall be exciting. So y'all, we're on our way to Publix. We gotta get some meat, drinks, fruit, dessert, all that good stuff to start our barbecue. If you don't mind, man, put your seatbelt on because it's giving the noise when I go off. Y'all, this is my cousin, twin sister in the back. We also have my auntie. She probably don't want to be on camera though.
Hey, Baddies and Buddies. It's your girl Key checking in.
Hey, everybody.
Oh, we also have Naeva.
I can't see her.
We also have a Naeva.
I can't see Naeva. We'll get her out. We'll get her when we get out of the car. I gotta put my seatbelt on, so
We'll tap back in when we get to Publix.
it's family time.
It's family time! Will you be my cousin forever?
Yes, I will.
Oh! Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we made it to Publix. I gotta get a fruit tray, cake, bread, and swimsuit. So I think I'm gonna just do this lemon glazed cake and cut it into slices for everybody. So let's add this to cart. And we gonna check this off the list. Alright, so that leaves us down to the fruit tray, bread, and a swimsuit. We might go to Publix for the swimsuit.
We already in Publix.
I mean, we might go to Target for the swimsuit. But
What you gotta get?
I need hamburger buns. I don't know. I might throw a little dessert in there, you know, something sweet. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, let's go. My twin is directing the camera for me today. The music is so loud in here. This is my mom.
Hey guys.
So, who getting the juices? This is my cousin. Hey guys.
Wait, her turn.
What y'all doing?
No.
You want some juice with me?
Yeah.
You want some juice, neighbor?
Yeah.
I want to ice some.
Alright, so what are fruit trays? Fruit trays. So I'm gonna go find, y'all, they in these people's stores. They're playing. So we we're gonna do 2 of these. I got you.
You worry about the road?
We don't have food trays, so we just gonna do 2 food bowls. So let's add these to the cart.
They're good.
Y'all, they stealing grapes. Put the camera on them. Ooh, y'all stealing.
I got grapes.
Y'all stealing them grapes. They good? Get them, police. Please get off that. Let me see those you got in your head.
Put your hand. Take your hand off.
This is what we got so far, y'all. We gonna try to pop these for y'all. So let's see what the hype is about. All right, Key, that's enough.
You gotta
Cut the light off.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I'm in the mood to fuck. I wanna go medicine. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Whoa, we gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly. We unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We're getting fucked up tonight. We gon' touch you, you'll see far. Touch you, you'll see stars. Touch you, you elevate. Touch you, you meet God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Sonic, sexy product on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them dialects while I ride it. Got me acting hella excited. So excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional.
That's how she talked to me. You see, she talking to her own dad and telling her that. And get what I do, Gigi? Just do it away. I just let her mama get it. Because if I say something, she gonna go inside and kill you. Goodbye about the boot though. I mean, you know, it's still always here. My AirPods.
All right, y'all, we at the pool currently. My auntie is still down there barbecuing the meat, and we just came to put our feet in. I didn't feel like really getting wet today, but yeah, that's the vibe for right now. Cheers.
Alright.
What bonus?
Stop licking my mouth.
Bye.
Yep. You got some on your face. You hurt? My car.
Yup.
Your foot hurt?
Yup. My bitty swole.
I miss you.
I miss you.
You hear me? This thing say 90%.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. All right, now, to the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Hands on your knees. Yeah.
So it started raining, y'all. We had to bring the party inside, but I'm finna eat, y'all, because I'm hungry and I'm tired and I'm hot. So let's eat.
too much. We had our downs, but we had way more love. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always see me.
What's up, y'all? So I haven't spoke to y'all since I ate. It's currently 8:42. Y'all, my house is a mess for one, but they love the car seat. Y'all, they love her car seat. Neighbor is gone with my cousins, but they literally left her car seat, so I don't know how this finna work. I'll probably have to send them to Walmart to buy a new one and just return it when I pick her up or whatever. But I walk upstairs just to realize they left the car seat. After we ate, we chilled and watched a movie on Tubi. Then they had to go. I had to go pick up my boyfriend. His car was acting crazy, so I went and picked him up. His mom sent us some more barbecue. Like, that's one thing about her. She cooked. She gonna send us some food, drink, sauce, paper plates, napkins. She gonna send the whole 9 yards. So shout out to her for that. So we now have more food because I don't think it was much left from earlier. But now we have more food. Hopefully we can go make it to this fireworks show. And of course I'm gonna bring y'all along, but y'all, I had to come make a little tinkle stop and then we're gonna head to the show. It's kind of been raining off and on, so hopefully we can make it. So let's see, girl. Girl, before I go, I'm back. Let me put y'all on real quick. Walmart has these Cartier replica earrings that match my bracelets. So if you know me, you know I love jewelry, girl. Guess who had to cop them? And I'm not even a hoop girl, but I had to get them just because they go with my bracelets. Then they come in all 3 colors, like the gold, silver, and rose gold. Girl, y'all better go cop y'all these. Y'all better go get y'all some of these. Y'all better go get y'all some of these. Y'all, so as we get close, we can literally see the fireworks as we get close. So we might have to pull over and watch them.
Counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my... I'm all in my bag, it's hard as to get, I do not snort powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip, I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. Something special about you, almost really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Ooh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. our birthday. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. Oh, set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. Now you're making me just looking wild. Feel like ooh, you don't know my name. And I'm sorry, baby. Feel like
Alright, y'all, I'm done doing what I'm gonna do for the night. The house look pretty, you know, it looks pretty normal for now. I still gotta wash those dishes, but y'all, tell me why I found a whole, not an open, not a half, but a whole pack of 5-piece almond Hershey's in my couch. I'll wait. And I know they belong to my mama, because she the only one that just go in the store and buy Hershey's. Even though I eat these kind, I just wouldn't go in the store and just let this be my first choice, if you get what I'm saying. But thank you, because they will be good and ate. But I'm gonna chill for a second, and then I'm gonna go take me a shower, y'all, because I am tired. I mean, my mama and Deja cleaned up a little before they left, but by me having to rush out the house, I told them that I would handle it. So yeah, but for the most part, I'm done. I just got those dishes to wash, and that's it, y'all. We got food left over, plus Jaylen mom sent us food because she cooked. We got fruit left over. I got cake, y'all. We were supposed to try these poppy drinks. I think that's what they're called. We were supposed to try those for y'all on camera, but we never got a chance to. So guess who got 5 to themselves? Me. I might see y'all again tonight. Maybe after my shower. I don't know, but yeah. See y'all later, child. What's up, y'all? It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new day. Your girl has just got off work, took me a shower. It's currently 4:31, so I'm kind of hungry. So I'm gonna fix me some leftovers and find me a movie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, my baby is gone. I'm about to sit back, relax, and chill, eat me some food, and we gonna try a poppy together, y'all. It's that time of the month, girl, so I'm about to relax. Y'all, I did not know that Amazon had this thing where you can order and get your order the same day on select items. So it's not for everything, but most definitely like a handful of things, you know, maybe the stuff that you really need type stuff. So I placed the order this morning around 7:51, and my order's ETA is today from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now that I think about it, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. is kind of pushing it, but hopefully we can be lucky enough to get in around at 5 p.m. time span. You get what I'm saying? So if you're still watching, you made it this far, we locked in. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Give me some comments, like give me some ideas on what y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all really rocking with my videos and my vlogs. Like let me know something in the comment section. I will see you guys when I'm ready to try this drink. All right, y'all, so I got me a quick little plate of baked beans, hot dog, and corn on the cob. I didn't do too much because I know I'm gonna be eating the same thing later, but let me get a poppy so we can try it. 1 second, girl. Y'all, I hope it's real good like they say it is. I was going to initially try all of them on camera today, but I was like, I might as well just try them as I go, because ain't no need in just wasting drinks that they might lose their strength and all that. So this is the watermelon. Alright, so let's try her. Cheers. This is actually good. It got a little, I wouldn't even say acid, but it got a little bite to it. It's kind of like acid, but it's not acid. This is supposed to be like for a good, healthy gut. So it's a prebiotic soda as well, y'all. This is actually good. Like, y'all, I can actually vouch for the watermelon because this is the only kind that I've tasted so far, and so far so good. Like, it's actually good. It tastes like a watermelon, kind of like soda, but it's, you could tell it's not a soda. You could tell it's more on the healthy side, y'all. You just gotta taste it for yourself. I'm not into asthma, but I'm finna do one little scoop for y'all, just one, cause y'all not finna sit here and watch me eat unless y'all want to. Now if y'all want to, then y'all just say that. But let me show y'all how I do this. I cut my hot dog. Y'all see that? Get you a dip of baked beans, stick it inside of that hot dog, and then you all meet it together, and then you gotta grab your corn with the baked bean juice on the side. These are like 3 of the best things you can get at the barbecue. Period. Can't nobody tell me different. Say hey to Kiara and Neva, guys. Hey guys. Alright, y'all know I don't usually end like this, but y'all, my outro did not save to my camera. But before I let y'all go, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But let's take it back. I'm going to show y'all some lost footage from Jacksonville. Just remember, all footage is good footage. Let's go back. What's up, my baddies and buddies? It's thetierrab checking in for another video. Back on your screen with another video. I know we just left Florida last weekend, but we back in there this weekend. It's more family oriented. We're going for my auntie's birthday, so I'm gonna bring y'all along. I put on the press-ons, and this is what it's giving, like a luxury. I love them. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let the shenanigans begin. Your grandma finna bring your food out. So we are at BK. Have it your way.
You got mine.
We get us some food. Yeah, your grandma got your food. Thanks to the vlog, better than you. I can't lose. How can us lose and miss the moment?
Calling me back, you see I'm fine, and a matter of fact, listen, I don't know the type of tricks he playing, but I should warn you, I don't want you, man. I wasn't wild enough, but I won't waste my time trying to figure out, and I can't believe you're hurting me. I made your girl was different.
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Yeah.